Hello kids, today we are going to revise the lesson soil. Going to revise the lesson is soil. Okay, see here, let us revise. Soil is a very important natural resource and is a vital for growth of plant life. Yes, soil is, all of you know, soil is a important natural part and it is a very vital for growth. It is a very necessary for growth of plant life. Different regions have soil with a specific color, nature, texture and the types. Yeah, different regions have different types of soil, different types of texture, different types of color. Okay. 3. Alluvial soil is highly fertile and is formed by the decomposition of silt. Alluvial soil is highly fertile and is formed by decomposition of silt. Number 4. Black soil, also called black lava soil, is formed from lava rocks over a period of thousands of years. Black lava soil is formed from lava rocks over a period of thousands of years. Red soil is rich in iron and hence has a reddish tinge. 6. Laterite soil is found in places receiving a heavy rainfall. Laterite soil is found in places where receiving a heavy rainfall. Terrace farming is used to grow tea. We should take steps to prevent soil erosion. Okay, now we're going to solve an exercise. 1. Fill in the blanks by selecting the correct options from those given in the bracket. Here, sentence and options are given. Fill in the blanks by selecting the correct options from those given in the bracket. So you read the sentence and read the options. Choose the correct answer and write here. Okay. See here, dash dash A. Dash dash is soil is found in place receiving a heavy rainfall. Dash dash soil is found in places receiving a very rainfall. Just only we revise the lesson. Anybody say, anybody guess which soil we find in place where receiving a very rainfall? Laterite, alluvial or red soil? Which soil? Laterite. See kids, in point 6, laterite soil is found in places where receiving a very rainfall. So write here laterite. Okay. So next see. Alluvial soil is not found in the dash dash. Alluvial soil is not found in northern plains or in coastal plains or in desert region. In which place alluvial soil is not found? In desert regions. Right? Desert regions, alluvial soil is not found. Okay? See, dash dash are grow in Kerala. Dash dash are grow in Kerala. Jowar, spices or bajra. Which crop grow in Kerala? Spices. So right here, spices are grown in Kerala. D. Tea and coffee are grown in Sikkim, Gujarat or Punjab. Tea and coffee are grown in Sikkim. Okay. Next, state whether the following statements are true or false. If you read the lesson, that time only you decide, you will say this statement is true or this statement is false. For example, I will show you how. The formation of soil takes place over a very long period of time. This statement is, if you want to recognize true or false, you should turn the page. Start the reading of the lesson. Start the reading of the lesson. You will get the answer. You will get the answer from this lesson only. Understood now, kids? Formation of soil need what? Thousands of years to form. It will become, soil is not formed within 1-2 days. It needs thousands of years to form. You got in this one answer in your book? So you pause the video 2 minutes and find out that one. Understood the kids? So you got answer, kids? The formation of soil takes place over a long period of time? No, the formation of soil takes place over a long period of thousands of years. Not a 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour time. It takes a year, thousands of years to form a soil. Okay, so this statement is false. B. Black soil is mostly found in Deccan Plateaus area. Yes, black soil mostly found in Deccan Plateaus area. So this is a true statement. C. Mountain soil is generally found on hill slope covered with forest. Yeah, mountain soil is generally found in hill slope area because there when they get a rain, the mountain soil flow down and it will get a forest, hill slopes covered with the forests. So this statement is true. Rice grow well in desert soil. Wrong. It is a false. Soil can be enriched by adding manure to it. Yes, soil can be enriched by adding a manure to it. So it is a true. Here are true or false over. Now we are going to see the question answers. If you read the lesson, that time only you get these questions answer. I will read the question. You only find out the answer. Where is this one answer? Okay? So, when I read the question, you pause the video 2 minutes, find the answer and again start the video and confirm your answer is correct or wrong. Okay? What is soil made up of? What is soil made up of? Turn the page. You read no lesson? Everybody read the lesson? Okay. See. What is soil made up of? Soil is made up of mixture of fine particles of mud, rocks and humus. Yes or no? It is your answer. B. How is soil formed? How is soil formed? Turn the page. Again, see here only answer is the soil is formed when huge rocks on the earth break off down due to the intense heat of sun, strong winds, rains, along with the decaying of animal, plants, etc. Okay, wastes. See, why do we need to enrich soil? We need to enrich soil because this soil supplies mineral to the plants. This enriched soil supply the minerals to the plant and to our crops. D. State 3 ways to prevent soil erosion. State 3 types. Look here. Planting more and more trees. By planting more and more trees, we prevent soil erosion. 1. Not leaving field uncultivated. 2. Using organic manure to improve soil quality. Using organic manure to improve the soil quality. By these 3 steps, we prevent the soil erosion. Understood, no kids? Next question is, which state are called wheat bowl of India and why? Look here, turn the page. Which state is called the wheat bowl? Which states are called wheat bowl of India and why? Punjab, Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh with a rich alluvial soil and a good irrigation facility to produce large quantity of wheat. So are together called a wheat bowl of India. This type you try to find out own answer. Understood, my kids? Next, so easy is there. Which state are called rice bowl of India and why? Turn the page. Turn the page. In this page you got answer? Yes or no, kids? Look here. Rice is largely cultivated in delta of Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri rivers in peninsular India. Thus they are called a rice bowl of India. Understood, no kids? Next question is last. What is terrace farming and how it is important? See, so easy is there, kids. What is terrace farming and how it is important? Terrace farming system is used to grow tea in Assam, Ooty, Munnar and the other hill regions in India. This method of farming uses steps cut into the side of hills to grow crops. When it rains, the rich soil does not get washed away with the flow of water, but is carried down to the next level. Thus, terrace farming is very important to prevent the soil erosion. Understood? Okay. Now, remaining last question. Name the following. Here, soil's names are given and told. Crops grown in this one soil. Understood, no? See here, kids. Number 4. Name the following. Crops grown in black soil. Crops. Write 2-3 crops names. Those are grown in black soil. Turn the page. Black soil paragraph. Read this one paragraph. Read 1 times, 2 times, 3 times. Read this one and find out the crops grown in black soil. Understood now what I am telling you? Okay, see here. The crops grown in black soil. This soil is suitable for crops such as cotton, wheat, millets, sugarcane, tobacco, chili and oilseeds. In these crops, you write here only two crops name. Okay, I will write here cotton and sugarcane. Okay, whatever you write millet or tobacco, chili or oilseed, whatever any two crops name you write down. B. Crops grown in red soil. Again turn the page. Read the paragraph of red soil. Read it carefully. And you only say the answer. Okay? You got the answer? Which crop will get in this red soil? Look here, red soil is fit for crops. Which type of crops? Red grams, Bengal grams, green grams and groundnut and castor seeds. I will write here red grams, and groundnut. Okay. C. Crops grown in desert soil. Crops grown in desert soil. Turn the page. See, where is the desert soil? Desert paragraph. Read this one. Read it and you will get the crops. Those are grown in desert. See here. Crops such as dates, gums, barley, maize, millets are good growth. They are grows in good in this one desert soil. So I will write dates and barley. Dates and barley. Okay. D. Crops grown in alluvial soil. The crops grown in alluvial soil. See, read this one. Read. The crops grown in alluvial soil: rice, sugarcane, banana, maize, wheat, jute, pulses, oilseeds, vegetables grow well in alluvial soil. I will write rice and wheat. Okay? Whatever write that crops you write jute, oilseed, otherwise pulses, maize, banana, sugarcane, but I will write here rice and wheat. Understood now, kids? So, value based question. Soil need to be enriched from time to time. Sometimes farmers do not have the resources to purchase a fertilizer for their crops. Could you suggest some easy and expensive option for soil enrichment? See here, again one time I'll read you. Soil need to be enriched from time to time. Sometimes what happen, farmers do not have the sources to purchase a fertilizer for their crops. Could you suggest some easy and expensive options for soil enrichment? Are you suggest the farmers? Yes. If they are not having a money to purchase a fertilizer, you tell them to add the manure which is found by cow dung, dry leaves, kitchen waste. Understood? No? It is not need to money, because cow dung, leaves, waste trees leaves and the kitchen waste will get a free. Free means they have their own. Yes or no? In their cow's dung is there in their houses, they have buffalo, cows. So in their house they may put a manure which is made up of kitchen waste, dry leaves, cow dung. Understood, no? If they are not having money to purchase a fertilizer for their crops, that time they should add manure. Understood, no? Project. Create a group in your class. Name of farm friends. Visit a farm along with you or teacher and prepare a small project on the kind of crops or plants grown there. Make a special report on the soil used and the problems faced by the farmers with regard to soil enrichment. It is nowadays impossible because offline schools are not there, online schools are going on. Yes or no? So you go to field with your parents. With your parents, you go to visit the field and ask to your parents which type of soil is there, which type of crops will grow. Yes or no? And make a special report on soil. Use the problems faced by the farmers with regard to soil enrichment. Understood, no kids? Thank you for watching the video.